Hello friends, welcome to my channel Technical Arquin, myself Arnab Kundu. Today I will discuss another video on LibreOffice Calc C application, and today I will discuss some of the important operations or functions like database functions like dsum, dcount, dproduct, dcounta, etc. and also describe some operation like goal seek or what if analysis in LibreOffice Calc is concerned. Okay, and also I will describe this all operations and functions elaborately step by step. Okay, so go to the computer screen. Through LibreOffice Calc application I will discuss today's topic step by step. Okay, so let's dive in. Hello friends, I'm just within the LibreOffice Calc C application, and today I will discuss one after another lots of operations, functions and features which is present within this LibreOffice Calc C, which are very much important. So at first I will discuss database functions in Calc C. Okay, so there is a table given, some students name is provided into there, some grade is given into there, their age is provided, marks is there out of 500, and also the average is given into there, and weight is also given in kg. Okay, so this is a table which is provided, and from there we are using the different function which is present in LibreOffice Calc C is known as the database functions like dsum, daverage, dcount, dmin, dmax. We already done the functions, the normal sum, normal average, count, mean, max. How we are using this dsum, daverage, dcount, dmin and dmax. Okay, actually this all the functions for database function is concerned, they are using three different arguments. One is the total database, means the total table. Second one, for which field we want to use the particular function, suppose for grade or age or name or marks, whatever. And another, the criteria section. So this is very much important, and to do this at first we should know whatever the table which is known as in Calc C is your database, and whatever the column is provided to there should prepare same column and same sequence within this sheet, because we need this particular for our criteria is concerned. Suppose we want to find out the total sum of students' age whose age is greater than 18. So the criteria is what? Greater than 18 should be there. So here we want to find out the total sum. So what we do, just write equal and then just write dsum, and then we choose this total range. We already told for dsum or any database function is concerned, they take three different arguments. One is total range, second one the particular column from where we want to use this database function, and another is the criteria. So then put comma, then we want to the age, this particular column is concerned, we find out the total, then put comma, and then we choose the total criteria including this column name also, and then just end this first bracket and then press enter. So total is 85. How? If we just count everyone, means for particular case this 18 will be no more there, 15 is no more there, 18 is no more there, 17 is no more there. So 23 plus 21 plus 20 plus 21, it will be 85. How? 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 1 5, 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 85, right? Same way, suppose we want to find out the total average for all students concerned, and the criteria is that the average should be above 90. Okay, so in that case what happened, we are just go to the average part. So here we just write average is greater than 90, and then go to this that part, just write equal daverage, average. Same way, three arguments is there, total range, comma, this average part, column name, comma, the total criteria including the column name, then bracket close, enter. So 95.333. If we do that, we got that one also. Okay. Now the another function is provided to there, the count. So now we count how many students are there whose grade is greater than 2. Okay, just put the criteria is greater than 2 here, grade greater than 2, and now we count. So equal dcount, and then same way choose the total range, comma, grade is a column name, comma, and then the total criteria, then bracket close, enter. 4. Now choose 1, 2, 3, 4, because this is a 2, this is a 1, this is a 1, this is a 2. So 4 students are there whose grade is greater than 2. Okay. Now we find out the dmin and dmax. Now we find out the lowest age within that particular student is concerned. So in that case we just put here greater than 0. This is simple criteria. Equal dmin, and then same way choose the range at first, comma, age is the column name, comma, then the criteria, then bracket close, enter. Now the 15 is the lowest age, just choose yes, 15 is the lowest age. Okay. Now we want to find out the highest weight, means maximum weight. So same way the criteria just put greater than 0, and now just write here equal dmax, same way choose the total range, comma, weight is our column name, comma, then the total range for the criteria, then bracket close, enter. So maximum weight is 45 is given to there. Okay. I hope you have understood these 5 different database functions which is used in Calc and how we can use it. Okay. Now go for the next function, right? Now next function is dcount A and dproduct. We already know count and count A have the difference. Count only count the numeric value, but count A can count the numeric as well as the alphanumeric value, means the letter and the word or character into there. Okay. So here if you want to find out the how many names are there whose grade are greater than 2. So we have used the criteria greater than 2. Same way, because this also the database function have the 3 different parameters or argument should be there. So just write here equal dcount A, then first bracket open, choose this total range, then comma, then choose the column name is a name, comma, and then choose the range for the criteria, then bracket close, enter. 4 students are there or 4 names are there whose grade is greater than 2. Just checked 1, 2, 3 and 4. Yes. Okay. Now go for the last database function which is dproduct. Suppose we product the all grade. How? Just use the criteria greater than 0 and just write here equal dproduct, first bracket open, and then choose the total range, comma, choose the column name, comma, choose the criteria range, then first bracket close, enter. So if we multiply this, as a result 720. I hope you have understood 2 other database functions which is very useful, dcount A and dproduct. Okay. Now go for the last one which is most interesting in LibreOffice Calc is concerned, which is what if analysis or goal seek, also it is known as. Okay. So just go to that part. Now we are discussing the another feature which is present within this LibreOffice Calc, which is what if analysis, also known as goal seek, which is provided in these tools, this particular option. Okay. Now what we do at first, we should know there's a table is given, the name is Amit, whose subject and marks is given Bengali, English, Maths, Physics, Chemistry, and given the average also into there, means marks average is given. Now what happened, the average marks, this particular cell is known as, in what if analysis is known as the formula cell, and whatever the marks we want to find, means what marks should be there for physics, so that the average should be 86. So this is our operation goal seek or what if analysis. So what we do at first, so we put here physics value suppose 0, and now we find out the average for the rest of the subject including the physics value is 0. So normal average function we are using AVE, RAGE, and what we do, just select the total range, this is the first one, put a colon, this is the last one, and press first bracket close and enter. So average is 68.6. Now what happened, we want the average is 86. So if we want this particular value in that place, so what will be the value for physics, means what will be the marks for physics, that is find out by this gold stick or what if analysis. Okay, and this particular section is known as variable cell, and this particular cell is known as formula cell. Okay, so we do that. So just go to the tools and choose goal seek option. This is a window, formula cell is already selected. Targeted value, what will be for the formula is 86, we want that average should be, so 86. Now the variable cell, this will be the our variable cell, means here we want to put the value so that the average should be 86 and press OK, and then insert the result into the variable cell. Yes, so if the value for physics is 87, then the average will be 86, right? Now if we do for the different cases, suppose we maths the physics is 86, okay, now we put the maths value is 0. Now what happened, the average is 66.4. suppose 84, now we want the average is 84, means the average is 66.4. now we want to turn the average into 84, so what should be the maths value? So same way we go to the tools, goal seek, formula cell, yes, it's okay, I15 is already given, target value now 84. Variable cell, this is chosen, the maths marks should be that cell, okay, yes. If the maths marks 88, then the average will be 84, right? I hope you have understood how to use this what if analysis in Calc, also it's known as goal seek operation. I hope you have understood today's video. Today's examples are very much interesting and very much important for Calc is concerned. If you like this video, please like it, share it, keep watching Technical Arcane for upcoming more videos in different topic is concerned. If you have not subscribed my channel till now, please subscribe it. Keep watching Technical Arcane. So today up to this. Thank you and bye bye.